Hi guys, MyTechTalks, back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a sound test on this 2021 12.9 inch iPad Pro. Let's get right into it. I've got an NCS song plugged up on here. You can find it at the link below. Also, you can find the link below for this iPad and maybe this as well. Awesome. Let's get right into it. I've also got myself one of these. Oh, it's locked. Yeah, I've got myself one of these Apple Watch SEs, which also has one of these on it. Decibel reader. Don't know how accurate it is, but I've got one, so let's just use this. Looks like it's working. Right, so let's start off. 50%. Oh, blimey, come on. Okay, that's at 50% volume. Let's chuck it up to 75, 80. Oh, it's locked again. Sounds pretty good. Back up to 100%. Really shouldn't have a password on this.
I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Right guys, that sounded really good to me. Chuck on 100%, a lot of bass, a lot of treble, a lot of mids, a lot of everything. I'm literally I'm so happy with this. As you can see, it got to like 80 decibels on this Apple Watch. I absolutely loved it, literally. Sounds really great, treble's fantastic, bass is brilliant, already said that. It's got a lovely kind of 3D like sound. It's absolutely fantastic. Just gonna get rid of that. Yeah, so if you've got Apple Music, right, it's absolutely fantastic. I love this iPad. It's absolutely brilliant. Got this case, actually, it's pretty good. So let me show you the back. Here we go. Yeah. So you've got 4 speakers on this iPad. Let me just get rid of this, because that's just ruining the shot. So, on this iPad, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 4 stereo speakers on this iPad Pro, and when you've got it on your little stand here, or you've got it on the table, if you're listening to anything at all, literally it sounds incredible. Put a Bob Marley song on, it's A+. The amount of range is unbelievable, and I am very impressed with the sound quality. It literally sounds like this JBL speaker right over there in the distance. It's absolutely fantastic. Only downside, smudges, but that's why I got one of these. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on notifications while you're there. Comment down below what you thought about the sound test, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.